Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you my easy summer dinner. I think you are more interested in our daily food, about what we eat and the serving portion. It seems a lot of work to do, but it's nothing. I don't want to spend more than 30 minutes in the kitchen in the summer. I love cooking, but not always. Let's get started. First, we are making easy kimchi and tofu stew. You know how much I love kimchi already. And kimchi and pork goes so well, and a lot of garlic and scallion stimulates our appetite. In the Japanese hot and humid summer, we feel so tired at the end of the day more than ever. Spicy food revitalizes our body. Vitamin B in pork and garlic activates the metabolism, and we can recover from the fatigue. And it contains probiotic, good for your gut. Mince your garlic. Cut garlic chives in 2 inches long, and cut scallions diagonally. Cut your sliced pork belly into 2 inches long. I also use sliced pork belly quite often. It cooked so quickly and adds richness to the dish and easy to eat. That's why I always have it in my fridge. Stir-fry pork to loosen up. Add in minced garlic and continue cooking. Add in scallion and garlic chives. Add in kimchi and sake. Add in water, rinsing the package to get the most good things out of it. I know it's not graceful, but actually, your garbage smells less if you do it like this. Trust me. Add in half a tablespoon of sugar if you don't want that too spicy, and put in tofu, cutting in 2 inches cubes. If you cut your tofu on your palm, do not pull back, otherwise you will cut yourself. Push gently until you feel the tip of the knife touch to your palm. Cook on medium-low heat while preparing other dishes. Cut your sashimi grade salmon into matchsticks. Add in a pinch of salt and a hint of garlic powder. The garlic doesn't really taste, but adds nice aroma. Add in sesame oil and toast to coat. Add in avocado if you want it to. I always add avocado to raw fish dish because I like the fatty texture mingled with sashimi. Sprinkle sesame seed and topped with egg yolks. There you have it. Japanese style salmon tartar with Korean twist. Next, let's make easy mushroom salad. I have rinsed salad green in my fridge all the time, and grab a handful of it and transfer to a bowl. Topped with sauteed mushroom from meal prep, and your salad is ready. Let's go back to the stew. It looks good, everything cooked up well, and then transfer to the small skillet. Drizzle sesame oil for the finishing touch. Serve with hot steamed rice and enjoy. I like eating stew on top of the rice. This is the best part of home cooking. You can replace the salmon with tuna or other sashimi grade fish and you can replace the pork belly with chicken or beef. It's so versatile and you can customize to your taste. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!